Hey everybody, today we're going to make one of my favorite fall dishes, butternut squash soup with caramelized apples. I will list the full recipe in the info box below. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up, that will help me out a lot. And stop by my Instagram at @achefandhisspoon. To make this recipe, you'll need a butternut squash, nutmeg, cinnamon stick, yellow onion, brown sugar, unsalted butter, heavy cream, and a Granny Smith apple. To start, you want to peel and cut your onion. Next, we want to prep our butternut squash. First, you want to start by cutting it in half and removing the seeds. Then you want to peel it and cut it into uniform pieces so it cooks evenly. In a pot over medium heat, you want to melt your butter. Add your onions and cook until soft. Next, add your diced butternut squash. Cover with water, add 2 cinnamon sticks, and bring to a simmer. While the squash is cooking, peel and dice your apple. In a saute pan over medium heat, add your butter and apples. While the apples are cooking, you want to microplane in fresh cinnamon and nutmeg. Then you want to season with salt and brown sugar to help build a caramel in the pan. Add more sugar if necessary. When the squash is cooked, we're going to add it to the blender and puree it until smooth. Here I'm adding heavy cream to give the soup a little bit more of a richness. If you want to substitute for half and half or almond milk, that'll work as well. Give it a taste and use salt and brown sugar to adjust the seasoning to your liking. The brown sugar helps balance out the natural flavors of the butternut squash. And there you have it, butternut squash soup and caramelized apples. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Leave a comment below and tag me if you end up making the soup. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.